Welcome to the informative VIVO IQOO U5X, and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to security section. Tap to fingerprint, enter your protect method and click here animation styles and switch now just to one from these available animations. Then just click to apply and that's it. So let's just check, and as you can see, we just successfully activated the fingerprint sensor animation on our VIVO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.